how to create PaySafeCard account in 2023, and how to use PaySafeCard. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to create a PaySafeCard account in 2023. Also, I'm going to show you on how to use it. PaySafeCard is a prepaid card that you can use to make online payments without having to use your credit card or your bank account. This can be a great option for people who want to keep their financial information private or who don't have access to traditional banking services. PaySafe is a global payments platform that connects merchants and consumers around the world through a variety of seamless and secure payment solutions. PaySafe's digital wallets provide a convenient and secure way for consumers to make online payments without having to share their financial information. Online cash solutions allow consumers to purchase prepaid vouchers that can be used to make online payments. PaySafe's mobile-initiated transactions allow consumers to make payments using their mobile devices. PaySafe's real-time analytics provide businesses with valuable insights into their sales and customer behavior. This information can be used to improve marketing campaigns, product offerings, and overall customer experience. Once you're on the website, just click on the sign up button, and then the next step would be entering your personal information or your country. For this one, I will be choosing United States, and then hit continue, and then the next step would be your email address. Let's put your email address, and then if you want to get offers, continue. And then the third one would be verifying your email address. Just go to your email address and they will send you a verification link or confirmation. Once your PaySafe account is verified through your email address, you can hit continue. And the next would be your personal information such as your name, last name, and date of birth. And the next one would be entering your address details. And lastly would be entering your mobile number, and after that you hit continue and you need to verify your mobile number. You will be receiving a SMS code, and then once your account is verified, you have now created your PaySafeCard account and you can start adding funds to it. You can do this by purchasing a PaySafeCard voucher at a retail store or by adding funds online using a credit or debit card. Once you have funds in your PaySafeCard account, you can start using it to make online payments. And to do this, simply enter your PaySafeCard PIN code when you're prompted to pay for something. To show you on how to use PaySafeCard on Amazon. On your PaySafeCard website or account, it should look like this, your gift card, and then you're going to purchase it and then just follow the instruction on how to buy that pay card. After having the code in your PaySafeCard, you will be going to your Amazon account and then click under your account, click account, and then find your payments. And then you will see in here, we have add a payment method, Amazon gift card, or add rewards and balances. This Amazon gift card is where you can buy this gift card on Amazon. Since we're getting the code from the PaySafeCard, we're going to click this add rewards and balances. And for the product voucher, redeem a voucher, click that, and then you can put the 16-digit PIN on your PaySafeCard account that we bought from our account. And that's it. You've now successfully created a PaySafeCard account and learned how to use it to make online payments. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.